morning from sunny Vancouver. Today myself and Tamara, the T7, are going to head inland, check out a few spots. The cherry blossoms are really popping this time of year in Vancouver. Just heading over to Portland now, going to head into Hope and checked out a lot of the filming locations for Rambo. First stop in Hope is Rambo Lane. We are in Rambo Lane, where he shot across the street here in that famous movie First Blood. Gonna wander over now and have a look at the Rambo statue. And yeah, this is where the town where he came ripping around on his XT50 trying to escape the law. Rambo, what a movie. There he is, the John Rambo carving. Just gonna head over to the bridge now, check that out. Then we'll go for a spin around through town. Then gonna head up north. The Yamaha Tenere 700. Old John Rambo rode in a Yamaha XT250 in the film First Blood, filmed in 1981. The original bridge is gone. There's a regular old one over here now. It was pretty cool retracing his steps through the town. This is the road where John Rambo first bumped into Johnny Law. The Route North and Highway 1 has got lots of these cool tunnels as I follow the Fraser heading north up towards Boston Bar. These trains keep on rolling, moving good through BC. Just turned off Boston Bar, gonna head up to Lytton. There it is, little small creek. I went into that pile of rocks in the middle there, which was a bad choice. Tipped her over a little bit, no big deal. She's back up. Okay, this hill might have got me. I can't get going again. Dug a massive hole. Might try one more time, stay to the outside, but I think that might be it. Third attempt. The Keefers gravel hill. I failed to make it up it. Doesn't look very steep, but it's very deep gravel and I don't have the skills to go up there, unfortunately. But it's okay, I can go back down the hill. There's like a little ride around down the bottom, I think. If not, we're going to go through the creek again. I don't really want to do that because we already fell off once. Sure is pretty out here in the BC backcountry. Trains just keep on rolling. Another one down there, that one's carrying coal. Yep, failed on this hill. We're gonna go back down. Sorry Tamara, we couldn't make it up the hill this time. Maybe next time. Is washed out and there's no way am I going to be able to go over there and get up that hill. cabin there, but I'm gonna stay in the tent and right by it. Some locals showed up that lake, had a good old time, and they slept like a baby. Up now today to head over to Grizzly Falls to check it out. Grizzly Falls. Pretty spectacular. Up to the Hatchland M4. They're 45k in. Wow. That's majestic as fuck. Things got a little turned around yesterday. Didn't make it up to Braylorn to go say Good Lake. We did camp up the Hatchland Valley, and I'm now here at this magnificent, you can't really see it, but there's a big waterfall in the background there. Pretty spectacular spot. And I'm just here randomly because I couldn't make it somewhere else. That's the old adventure machine. You never know what the next day is gonna bring. Love it. En route back to Van City, spied this sweet little spot here beside the river. Just collected a bunch of firewood and we'll probably put the tent over there, I'm guessing. Dinner time by the Coyote. It might look like a crab, but it's a sausage, done Czech style. Sausage in a bun with some cream cheese.